Next we have Highway Research Board. The Highway Research Board of the Indian Road Congress was set up in 1973 with a view to proper direction and guidance to road research activities in India. The Highway Research Board is expected to act as a national body for coordination and promotion of highway research. The Highway Research Board has recommended suitable financial allocation of research by central and state governments and has chosen high priority research scheme for being taken up first. The main objectives of Highway Research Board are: first one, to ascertain the nature and extent of the research acquired. Next, to correlate research information from various organizations in India and abroad with a view to exchange publication and information on road, to coordinate and conduct correlation services, to collect and disseminate results on research, and to channelize the consultative services. Next came into existence was the third 20 years road development plan. The meeting or the conference took place in Lucknow, hence it is also called as Lucknow Road Congress. The tenure for this was from 1981 to 2001. Some of the silent features of this plan are: this was the third 20-year plan as it took place in Lucknow, hence called as Lucknow Road Plan. It aimed at constructing a road length of 12 lakh kilometers by the year 1981, resulting in the road density of 82 kilometers per 100 square kilometer. The plan has set the target length of national highway to be completed by the end of 7th, 8th and 9th year plan period. It aims at providing the transportation facilities in the villages, towns, etc., such that no part of the country is farther than 50 kilometers from the national highway. One of the goals containing in the plan was that expressways should be constructed on a major traffic corridor to provide speedy travel, and the energy conservation, environmental quality of roads and road safety measures were also given due importance in this plan. Hence, if we see in the third road plan, the density of road was far much increased to 82 kilometers per 100 square kilometers, and lot much importance was given to the national highway. On the third road plan, now we will determine how to calculate the road length. So first step is primary road length. Primary road system. In this we have two types, expressway and national highway. Okay, so expressway of the total length for expressway is 2000 kilometers, is to be developed for fast travel based on the requirement. Okay, and national highway is based on the concept of 100 kilometer square grids by providing 100 plus 100 is equal to 200 kilometers of the road length per 100 by 100 is equal to 1000 square kilometer area, that is 1 kilometer per 50 square kilometer area. Therefore, the total length of national highway in the country or the state could be obtained by dividing the total area of the country by 50. So what is this? This is nothing but the total area of the country, and we have to simply divide it by 50. So 3287782 kilometer square divided by 50, if I make it, this figure will come around to 65,756 kilometer. We can round it up to 66,000 kilometer. Now secondly, secondary system. In this we will calculate length of national highway and state highway. The roads consisting of national highway and state highway should pass through each town or urban area. There are around 3364 towns in the country as per 1981 census. Therefore, the area of each square grid would be equal to total area divided by number of towns. Okay, so area of each square grid is nothing but the total area of a country divided by total number of towns. So simply I have substituted the values here. I got the values 9773 square kilometers with the sides 31.26. Simply take the square root of this, you will get 31.26 kilometers. Then what should be the length of national highway and state highway? So it will be simply multiply by 2 to this 31.26. So it will be 62.5 kilometer for each. Okay, thus the total of national highway and state highway, this total of national highway and state highway for this 3364 number of towns in a country will be product. Okay, 2 into sides into number of towns. This will be 2,10,250 kilometers. Okay, then we want to find out the state highway length. So to determine the length of national highway for the country as determined earlier 66,000, thus the length of state highway in the country will be total length 2,10,250 minus 66,000. Okay, so this total 2,10,250 minus this, if I subtract, I will get it around 1,44,250 kilometers. Okay, so the length of national highway required for any state may be determined from the following relationship. Therefore, the total area of state highway will be equal to the area of state in square kilometer divided by 25. Okay, and by second method, that is by total number of towns. So this will be, so total number of town and area in state, it will, the formula is 62.5 into number of towns in the state minus area of the state per square kilometer divided by 50. Okay, now thirdly we have to find out the length of major district road. The total length of major district road in the country has been worked out as 3 lakh kilometers. Okay, 3 lakh kilometers. The length of major district road required in the state is found out as, firstly we will find it out by total area. of major district road. First method by total area and second method by number of towns. So formula by for MDR by total area is area of state, this one, area of state divided by 12.5. This will give you in square kilometer. And secondly by number of towns, simply 90 into number of towns in the state will give you the value of MDR length by number of towns. Whichever will be the maximum value, you have to consider that value and proceed further. Okay. So depending on this, we will just see one numerical which is solved one. The area of a certain district in India is 13,400 square kilometer and there are 12 towns as per 1981 census. Determine the length of different categories of roads to be provided in the district by the year 2001. See, many times in the examination this type of questions are generally asked, and every time we have to simply calculate it by the third road plan method. Okay, so as in the previous slides we have seen what is the steps to find out the length of different types of road. So simply that formulas we have to substitute here. So here firstly I have substituted the formula to find out the length of national highway, that is whatever was the total area given divided by 50, we will get national highway. For state highway, again two methods, that is by area method and by number of towns method. So simply for here divide total area by 25 and by number of towns 62.5 multiplied by number of towns minus, if you do length of national highway subtraction, you will get the value. So from these two, A and B, whichever is maximum, add up that one. The next is length of major district road. Again two methods, area and town. By area you have to consider total area given divided by 12.5 and by number of towns 90 into number of towns. Okay, again add up maximum, this value whatever you get you calculate it. And now here it plays an important role to calculate ODR and VR. Now how to calculate ODR and VR? Here what you have to do is, as per third road development plan, what was the density considered for third year road development plan? It was 82 kilometers per 100 square kilometer. Okay, so what we have to do is all types of road, that is national highway plus state highway, major district road, other district road plus village road, is equal to total area of the total area whatever is given multiplied by its density. Okay, so you substitute the values for the previous whatever we have calculated, national highway, state highway, major district road. Okay, we have found out these three values, substitute it here, which will be equal to 13,400 multiplied by 82 upon 100. If you calculate it, you will get the combination of other district road plus village road. This question is very, very important to you from examination point of view. Okay, so same type of numericals will be asked. Be prepared for this. Only the values of area and number of towns will be varied. These are the fixed questions in the examination. Must prepare for this well in advance. Okay.